Paul speaking here. So we're going to go through the market breakdown for the week, trade ideas, etc. So first thing you must remember this week is NFP week, so the markets are going to be choppy, lots of manipulations, and so I suggest you guys trade less and find good opportunities. Just don't enter because you feel like you want to trade. Now you wait for the right opportunity to execute trades, and then the rewards will come. Now let's just go through the economic calendar here. So as we know, Monday is the holiday, United Kingdom, and also in the USA Memorial Day. So the markets are really not going to be moving much on Monday. So just keep that in mind. Monday, not trading. In fact, I don't even trade on Monday, so yeah, just keep that in mind. Tuesday, let's check the USD. We have the S&P and then the consumer confidence, CB. Nothing much on Tuesday. Wednesday, okay, the Euro, the German unemployment change, and the German CPI, and jobs opening, and also Wednesday you guys should keep real times. On Thursday, all the retail sales. What else? The German manufacturer PMI and GDP manufacturer. Wow, damn! Thursday is actually like it's a lot of fundamentals happening. CPI, Euro. Okay, the ADP non-farm employment, 2 o'clock, and jobless claims. What else? And then 4 o'clock is the ISM manufacturer PMI. And then 5 o'clock is crude oil inventories. Wow. Yeah, so Thursday is actually high impact news, guys. So keep in mind that Friday we have non-farm payrolls. So yeah. So I'll be keeping an eye on Wednesday and Thursday, guys, and Friday. Wednesday it's going to be a roller coaster. Oh well, let's go through. Yeah, we'll start with US 500. So I'll be doing all this best. US 500, US 100, US 30, gold, silver, GDP, everything. Let's go through the monthly. Mamma mia. So guys, on the monthly you can see we are bullish. If you look at the overall chart, we are bullish. So there's a gap here. Oh, I trade the ICT concept smart money, guys. I'll make this let's make this purple. Purple is a monthly, right? Right, let me see what price is drawing to. So I'll mark this, make it black. Make it black. So we are looking at this monthly candle, guys. Showing momentum going to the upside, the drawn liquidity at 4326. I'll be looking just for buys. Since the past weeks, I've been just looking for buys because the previous month we did, the previous month I did say we were going to do a retracement, and then the market will, this candle will start shooting up and the drawn liquidity for buy stops is actually 4326. So let me just check something here. Let's go on the weekly. So on the monthly, let's try and measure this gap. This opening candle here, and find the consequence of approachment 50%. See what the market does. So when we reach this point at 4225, we are going to expect a pullback somewhere. So let me figure out my bias here, because now on the weekly, gap here, so we did take out buy stops here, guys. So let's just keep in mind this was buy side liquidity. Buy side liquidity. So pretty close. So while I'm determining this opening candle, we will do a retracement here, and then for the week, I'll be mainly looking for the opening candle to push price to the upside, which is 4328. So my bias for the week is bullish, guys. I'll be bullish. It indicates me we're bearish, so I'll be looking for buys. Let's go to the daily. So the daily, we did a reversal. Okay, there's a gap here. So relative equal lows here. Mark this a sell side. Sell side liquidity. Okay, let's make it until Friday here. And this. Make this let's make it white. Let's go on the 4 hour. Apologies guys, internet is too slow. Come on. Right, Nikki. So side liquidity. So we moved back to we're on the 4 hour right now. So let's go back on the daily. Let's just go back on the daily quickly. Right. I do see buy stops here and a gap here on the daily. So buy side liquidity here, gap here, volume imbalance, a gap here. So there's I don't know, on Tuesday I'll be looking for buys, but I'll be only looking for buys until we take out the sell side liquidity here that's resting at 4097. So until then, I must actually see something. Let me go on the daily. Let's just note this daily. T family gap. And let's go on the 4 hour. I'll note this as a 4 family gap. OH family gap. So we are completely bullish, guys, but I must see price respecting. I want to see price actually reacting to these gaps here when we retrace or a gap here. But I will not be comfortable with taking buys of sell side liquidity resting. Look at all these relative equals. All these lows must be taken out. So nah. I would want price to come take out these lows. So I'm gonna fuck with this. This is my buy. This is my buy side, and we do have a gap on the daily. So something like that until Friday. Friday's NFP. So we'll see how price behaves here. For now, yeah, that's it. That's my view on US 500. On US 500. So see how price behaves. So let's go to the US 100. Damn. Price is shooting up. Alright. Okay, we're on the monthly. The monthly. Okay, here, which is buy side liquidity, and there's also relative equal highs above that. Not so much should I say, we have a gap here. So we have a gap on the monthly. Let's make this purple. Now let's make it red. Now let's make it blue. Now let's just make it blue, different colors. Yeah. So we have a gap here. Let's see something here. Let's see something here. Make this red. Consequence. Right. Then we really did broke out, creating a huge opening. Wow, fuck. Order block here. Opening of this candle here. Let's go to the weekly. Say, right on the weekly, we do have a gap here. Let's use yellow. Let's just measure from the low to the high here. The price will be in this gap. I'll be looking to buy Nasdaq here below the 50% at the 68, and there's a fair value gap here. Also, I'll be confident of buying here, buying this gap here. So I need to see a small pullback here, back to this gap, somewhere there. Okay, so we do have a gap on the weekly, so let's say the weekly gap here. Weekly fair gap. So let's go to the daily. So when we took out the buy stops here, we did create a fair value gap. So price reversed and shot up here. Now price is actually going for these buy stops here, which were taken out, I think. Yep, they were taken out. Relatively. So I would want to see a reaction for price to actually come all the way, do something like this. Do something like this, something like this, something like this, so we can go back here. Because we have a sell stop here, guys. Sell side. So unless price do something to show that it wants to continue going to the upside. But yeah, I would want to see a pullback. So let's go to the 4-hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. My God. So let's mark the sell side liquidity here. Sell side liquidity. So please note it down on your charts that we do have sell side liquidity here. So this drop can actually happen on Thursday, Friday, NFP, but I'm still noted that we might actually come take out these lows here. So we might get shot up like, ooh, shit. But yeah, we are bound to do a reversal, guys. So let's just keep that in mind. Do have a gap here, guys, also, so keep that in mind. So on Wednesday, on Tuesday, we will see if price want to do reversals. For now, keep that in mind. Okay, let's go to USDT. So on the weekly chart, we did come and test this imbalance here. Okay. So price just did a reversal from here, from this low to this high. You measure a feed, 50%. We did touch the 50%, but I'm not convinced this can touch 68%. Normally that's where I enter my buys, because below the 50% is discount. But we did touch discount, so we could see price actually start going up. So my drawn liquidity is actually at 34,224. So now that we touched the 50% below it, it might actually, the new week opening candle might actually come and touch that, but I don't think so. But it's a slight possibility. So yeah, let me just measure this week here. This week, the consequence or arrangement of this week. So it's 50% here. So looking for buys when this new week opening candle opens at 6 o'clock p.m. New York local time. So there'll be a pullback here. So let's go on the daily. Yeah, so on the new daily candle opens, I would want to see a reversal back to this. On the daily, we actually fill in this gap. So if we go to the daily, there's also a gap here. So we'll make this white. I'll just make it white. So we have to see how price reacts in this gap. I mean, yeah, so when we go on a lower time frame, we'll start looking for setups. For those of you who want to sell until this week, and besides on this week, there's an imbalance here. We did take out, wouldn't say it's a best sell stop, but we did take out. Market failed to go down and we broke this short term high. So we're expecting a reversal of a failure gap. So yeah, the best bet is for me to come by here, by that week on the weekly. And then when price comes here, I'll target all these highs here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will actually be my main area of interest for the week. This buy stop and the gap here. So that will actually be my point of interest for the week. So let me just wait until Friday. TONFP. So let me just note it down here for our gap. So guys, I trade on the 1 hour and normally the 4 hour. But I want to look into the 15 minutes. And if I want like sniper entries, I go 5, 3, 1. But normally I enter on the 1 minute and then I go back on the 1 hour. And I'll trade off my higher time frame or the 4 hour. But as long as, yeah, keep in mind the 4 hour, we do have relatively equal highs, guys. So yeah, we'll see. I want to see how price behaves here. So in the 4 hour, we do have a gap here. So let me just make this orange. I like US 30, guys, but yeah, I would want to see a reaction here. Then I'll go on 50 minutes to look for possible buys. But for now, that's the way I see this. 15 minutes. Because now this is the gap on the daily. So as the market opens, I'll expect stops to be taken out. But the market won't be moving much on Monday, guys. So, oh, did I say sell stop? Sorry. Buy side liquidity to be taken out. I'm now looking for something like HR, a market structure shift, a short-term low being taken out, and a reversal to the fair value gap, and then I'll target the weekly week or this gap on the 4 hour. If those of you want to buy, if those of you want to sell, so but we'll see. Alright, so I would want to see price actually go up there, something like this. Let me show you guys something like this, something like this, something like that. I want to see price do something like that. Yeah, so that's it for US 30. I'm going to daily. Yeah, so that's actually what I'll be doing for the week. To not confuse myself, I'll make this weekly gap. So guys, my model is just the ICT Mentorship 2022. I just look for liquidity and imbalances and rebalance. That's actually my favorite module. Even though ICT teaches a lot of concepts like the new day opening gap, the new week opening gap, mitigation block, breakup blocks, all that. Although I have knowledge about those concepts, but I don't I don't see the need of knowing them and trading with them. Like I've backtested this module and it really works with me and I love it. But if you who's comfortable trading the new week opening gap, new day opening gap, and it works with you and you've backtested and you like it, you can go ahead, but I'll just stick to this module, guys. I mean, knowing so much, I mean, if you know those concepts, knowing those concepts might actually end up confusing you if you trade like all of them. So it's better just to stick to one concept. So as I said, like as we checked on the weekly, we did touch this gap, and I'm actually anticipating price to actually do a pullback before we start shooting up. So my bias for the week is bullish. So, and if I'm bullish, what do I do? I'll look for sell stops to be taken out or sell side liquidity, and then a short-term high being taken, short-term high to be taken out, and then if I see a fair value gap, other block or just this huge imbalance like this, it will give me, that's like my free confirmation for me to wait for a reversal to see how price reacts, and then I'll go on my lower time frame to look for entries, and boom, I'll place my stops here just below this low or this low. Then what high and what buy stops are you gonna target on your higher time frame, guys? You can trade on the 50-minute, it's just the same thing, but so far I'm having a 2 week winning streak, which I'm very very proud of. 2 weeks, guys, without losses. And this week I only trade from Tuesday to Friday. So I trade during the 10 a.m. New York local time, where we can find also the silver bullets setups. But during that time, I can find easy setups. If I don't find anything, then I won't trade. I will not force myself to be in a trade. Then I'll wait in the PM session to see if I find the setup. And if I don't, then I'll come back tomorrow. Trust me, guys, you don't need to trade every day, but Mondays I don't trade. So we're done with this pair. So please just note it down on your chart. Let's go to German 30. I don't really trade this pair, but as you can see, with German 50, we are completely bullish, guys. So, so looks like we did really took out buy stops. Market shut down, closed. So I'm anticipating what's gonna happen here. Well, I don't know. We do have a gap here, guys. So we are most likely to contest this gap. So this yellow. But I am actually. Let me see on the daily what's happening. Ooh, fuck. And we do have sell stops here. Yep. Do have sell stops here. So we are likely to contest this. Yeah, to contest this gap here on the weekly, then we could actually look to see how price react to look for opportunity to go to the upside. I am still bullish, but the way I'm saying things, we do have relative equal lows here, guys, so keep in mind. And let me see something here. We are about to do a retracement at 50%. So let me see something here. So on the daily, we do have a gap here. So let's just make this. Let's just make this yellow. Now make it white. It's on the 4 hour. So I'll only be interested to look for price after we've taken out this sell side liquidity here. So please note it down on your charts. Sell side liquidity here. Sell side liquidity. Let's go on the 1 hour. Alright. We did come respect this gap here, which is good though. So yeah, I think which is actually good here. I'll make this. Let's go on the 15-minute. Yeah, on this price was taken out. So I think I wanna see around on liquidity. Price stops to be taken out and a short-term low been taken out, and then I'll be looking for sells going to the downside to take out this sell side. You see, even on the 15-minute, relative equal lows here. So my draw on liquidity, if I wanna take Tuesday or Wednesday, is here. So yeah, keep that in mind, guys. Let's go on the 4 hour. Yep. So sells here, guys. So just see how price behaves here on the daily. If price actually passes through, then it's a whole different thing. Because if price comes, just breaks the gap here and goes there, then we are likely to continue going up because we do have, I would treat this as support. If price actually continues pushing up, then I'll continue taking it as support and we target the buy stops here. Yeah, if it does that. So so that's it for German 30 or 40. Yeah, but it's actually looking too juicy, so I might actually want to trade this. So yeah, so we'll see. This looks juicy. So let's go to gold. Goldy. I did say gold would. My target for gold is 1904. Reason why is I'm not gonna remove the lines, but yeah. As I anticipated, if you guys been watching my other videos, if not, please go watch. I did anticipate gold to actually take out this sell stops here, this sell stops. Now when the market open, I will expect pull back somewhere to this weekly resistance here, which is at 953, and then after that 1934. So, but the main area for this gap, if you measure this gap, the consequence enrichment, which is 50%, let me just do that for you guys. You measure it. We about to hit the 50%, and we both know below the 50% is discount, is where we target buys. But not convinced because I'm predicting price to actually come test the 61.8, and this is actually where I want to enter buys here, especially on the monthly support here, which I actually put the line here. And keep in mind guys, if we're on the monthly, we do have an order block here, the opening price of this candle, which is even at 930 there. So I don't know, I'll be looking for buys here. So till then, this sell stops, sell side liquidity must be taken out, and we must come touch this, close this order block here. So yeah, let's go on the 4 hour. Right, let's see. Okay, on the 4 hour. Make this orange. Okay, let's see, the sell stops here. Sorry, not sell stops, guys. My bad. I mean this buy stops. Buy side liquidity. And let's go on the 1 hour. Let me check something here. I do see another block here. Open, close. Okay, this is the 15-minute. It's relatively cool. I see you guys. What's here is a gap here. Yeah. So my true entry is actually here, guys, at 1953, as I said. If price actually comes and take out this high, it's a whole different story, because now we are going to seek out those buy stops here if price takes out this high. So I need price to actually come test here, and I'll be looking for sells going to the downside. So something like this. Then I'll target this low, something like that. High probability. Something like that. So I want to see price actually come there. But if we do take out this high, and price will seek this buy stops here. There's a possibility we might also take out this buy stop. So we need to see how price behaves here. If price actually tests here and we get the market structure shift here, short-term low being taken out, if you take out this buy stops here, then yeah, it's an ideal to enter here, and then your stop loss is just above the highs here, which you're actually risking. I mean 17%. I mean 6-0 ratio per hour is a lot, and I'm more like a swing and intraday, also scalp, can do both. So let's see. I know on Monday there won't be so much, we'll just be consolidating, and then price might actually take out the sell stops here. For price to go take out these buy stops. The real move. I want the real move. So as you can see, I'm actually bearish on gold. So I want to sell gold, not buy. Well, buy if you want to scalp. So yeah. But if we do manage to actually break out of this 4-hour gap here, then we can actually look for price something like this. If we do actually manage to break out here, then we can look for a reversal here. And 6954. And possibly 904. So yeah. That's it for gold. Check silver. Alright. Yep. Let's see on the weekly. Yep. As I predicted, so silver. We did touch the 50%. Not slightly touch the 61%. Price might actually come and test this gap here. We might just play around. So we do have relative equal highs here, but that's way too far right now. So there's a gap here. Let's see. See how price just expected a gap and shut up. So I want to see how price behaves when we reach this gap here. Let's see the 4-hour. We have a 4-hour gap here, so let's see how price behaves here and see how price. We might come take out this sell stop here because we do have a gap here on the 4-hour. We go now weekly time frame. As I said, we go on a weekly time frame. If you measure the fee from this low to this high, I like buying at the 68%, 61.80. So I'm not convinced of actually looking for buys. I want price to actually come test here, then I'll be looking for buys. Just like gold, I'm looking for buys at 1904. So for now, silver, we actually still doing a full retracement on silver. So buyers for the week, I'll actually be looking for sells. So if we actually enter here, I'll see how the price behaves. If it gives me a wonderful setup, then yeah, then yeah, I might actually seek all these lows to be taken out. Because we did take out buy stops here and the price reversed to this gap and then shot up. Now we'll see how price reacts here. So we do keep in mind we have buy stops here, relatively equal highs here, buy side liquidity, so keep in mind. So let me just note it on my chart so I don't forget. Just do it on your chart, guys, so something like that. Yeah, so down of silver. GDP Japan. Let's go on the weekly. I did not trade this. I don't know why I'm foiling this pair, but so let me look out for the key by okay. Okay, we have buy stops here, which is at 175.159. Please note it on your charts, and we have a gap here on the weekly. This is the weekly time frame, guys. So I'll be looking for sales here. I'll make this red. This setup, guys. That's a setup for me. If this is taken out and we reach here, see how it reacts, and then yeah, I'll be looking for price to actually do a reversal back here. So for now, since for my weekly bias, I'm anticipating my draw on liquid on 175.173, so that's actually my price for the week. So on Tuesday, on Tuesday we will actually look for buys though. So this is actually my main one on the weekly time frame. So but we did take out buy stops here. Let's go on the 4-hour. Whoa. Nah. This, I'm not liking this, so nah. I think price must come take out this sell side liquidity. Yeah, I'm not going to buy until the sell side liquidity is taken out and sell this when we reach this gap here. Somewhere here. Come on. Color should I make this green? Nah. If we do continue going up there and seeking this side, then yeah. But come on, let me go on the 1 hour. Still, get all this lower TV call, this liquidity below there. Let me go on the 4 hour just to see what's happening here. What the fuck is happening with GJ? Shit. Alright, let's go on the 1 hour. Alright, let me see something here. I want to see something like this, guys. I see a gap here, something like this, something like that, something like this. And I'll look ourselves going to the downside if it happens. But I'm not gonna touch G. I want this loss to be taken out. That's the only way I'll buy this this pair. I want this loss to be taken out first. Then we just left massive liquidity here. So I don't know, fundamentals will try and push price down here. Nah. I did say I want to buy going to 175 to 173, so I want price to actually come here. But if price actually opens 6 o'clock Sunday PM, continue going up, it's actually a good sign. Yeah, good sign to take all these buy stops and see how we react here and maybe continue going. Then I'll look for sells or sells here somewhere if I see a market structure shift here. Fair value gap, and I'll target all these lows here. But for now, I'll just keep an alert on this pair. For now, nah. Right, or the US dollar. Oh, damn, this is completely bullish. I mean, bearish. Damn, we did take out sell side liquidity here. What's next now? Do we have another block, guys, here? Keep in mind. It's on the 4 hour. Now we go on the weekly. Let's see how price behaves on this other block, guys. But I think I'll avoid it. Honestly, I think I'll avoid this pair. Definitely avoiding. So let's see. I'll make this orange. When I see the short term high been taken out, then I'll look for buys. Because on the 4 hour we have equal highs here, and also here. Just make this, yeah. So I'll be looking for buys, guys. But in order for me to buy this, and I want this low to be taken out here also, and I'll be looking for this going so I can seek. Yeah, can I seek this buy stop, this buy side liquidity, and here. If we go on the 4 hour, we did got sell side liquidity. We another block here. And on the block we do have a gap here, which is respecting. So I want to see the bodies respecting this gap. I will spend the damage, so I'm not really concerned about that. So, yeah, as you can see, if we went on our 1 hour, that we did respect this gap. So 1 hour, the gap here respected here. Damn. I would want this lows to be taken out, something like that. Yeah. Yeah, so I'd want this loss to be taken out. Let's go on the 15-minute. Damn. might actually come and respect this gap here, guys. If respect this gap, because there's also sell side here. This we might actually come and see our price react, but maybe we won't take out this low and this low. So if we actually take out these sell stops and price here, and when we see a short term high being taken out, then yeah, we'll seek out this buy stops here, and this buy stops here. But on my lower high time confirmation, I'm targeting this. So yeah, so we'll see. That's it for Audi USD, guys. Euro, fuck, Euro USD, Mamma mia, oh my god. Alright, wait. High to the low. Okay, this is why I like when we go below the 50%, the lowest discount, and we touch the 61.8. That's where I'm confident of buying. But I don't see much information on the weekly since the weeks are just overlapping each other. So let's go on the daily. Right. Interesting. Alright. Since we're on the daily, we are actually gonna reach the Fairfield gap demand area though. Demand area. So we did take out sell side liquidity here, guys. Let me go on the 4 hour. Okay, on the 4 hour it's pretty easy. So for Euro, US dollar, I'll be looking for buys on this. I want the sell stops to be taken out. And we actually can break the short term high. If we take ourselves and we break, then I'll target these buy stops here on the 4 hour. And this one, But mainly my main concern is this one. It's too clean, relative equal highs here. Very clean. Go on the 1 hour. Yeah, as you can see, it's way too clean. In fact, let me target this one. Yeah, this one looks way cleaner. Note it on your chart, guys, on 1.0849. I think that will be my bias for the week. So, but for the long term, I will actually to target. Let me see something. We seek premium. Premium. Let me see. Premium. We seek premium is above. I'll be targeting premium is above the 50%. So this is actually my long-term target. Somewhere there. Premium. I'll make this red. Let's go on the 1 hour. Yeah, but then I'll be targeting this buy stops here, buy stops. So much liquidity in this ones. Long term, if you're a swing trader, you can hold, but you know why? This is why liquidity is so much liquidity. Retail traders left their stops here above. They left their stops here, their stops here, their stops here. So there's so much money there, guys. Smart money, ICT, the real G. Yeah, so I think that's it for the breakdown, guys. yeah, so that's it, guys. I'm done. So yeah, please, yeah, so please do note on do note all this analysis on your chart and see what you get. Trade ideas. Join the Telegram group. The links are down below. Yeah, I'll be sending out my live trades in the Telegram group. So click the link and join, subscribe so you can get notified when I upload another video. But I'll definitely trade NFP and then I'll post it on YouTube, how I trade the NFP live. That's it. So yeah, enjoy your week, trade less and be safe. MPL signing out.